Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Siasat Education. Continuing our earlier series of mathematics, we'll start with the seventh question of first exercise of coordinate geometry. So the seventh question says, show that the points, 4 points. So they have given 4 points. Point A is -4, -7. Point B is -1, 2. Point C 8, 5, and point D is 5, -4. So they are asking us to prove that or to show that these 4 points taken in order, this point is important, taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. Find its area. So this part we'll see later on. First we'll complete till here. First we need to prove that these 4 points when joined together we get a structure that is nothing but a rhombus. So we'll draw rhombus. Rhombus look like something like this. So here he says that show this these points taken in order. So if I write taken in order means point A here, B, C and D. So they are asking us to prove that these 4 points when joined together forms a rhombus. So in order to prove that it is a rhombus, we need to prove that AB, the distance between A and B, is equal to distance between B and C, is equal to distance between C and D, is equal to distance between A and D. We need to prove that all the distances are equal. Apart from that, we need to prove that distance between A and D, A and C, distance between A and C and distance between B and D are not equal. We need to prove that all the distances, sides, all the sides are equal, as well as we need to prove that diagonals A, C, if we join A and C we get a one diagonal, B and D we get another diagonal. So we need to prove that the diagonals are not equal but the sides are equal. So we'll start. So first we need to find out AB. This is the required to prove. We need to find out AB value, BC value, CD, DA, AC and BD. So we will find out one by one. First we will calculate the value of A and B. The formula remains same. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between 2 point formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So when we are calculating the distance between A and B, the value of A will become x1, y1. The value of B will become x2, y2. So if we substitute here x2, value of x2 is -1. Formula minus x1 value is -4. This minus into minus plus 4. Y2 value of y2 is 2. Formula minus y1 is -7. Minus into minus plus 7. -1 plus 4 it is 3 square. 2 plus 7 it's 9 square. 9 plus 81. So it is nothing but root 90. So I got a value of AB as root 90. Now we'll calculate the distance between B and C to find out BC value. Formula remains same, but when we are calculating the distance between B and C, B will become x1, y1, C will become x2, y2. x2 value 8, x1 value is -1, minus into minus plus 1, y2 value is 5, minus 2 whole square. This is nothing but 9 square plus 3 square. 81 plus 9, that is root 90. Now we'll calculate the distance between C and D. C will become x1, y1. D will become x2, y2. So substituting this formula, the value of x2 is 5. The value of x1 is 8. Value of y2 is minus 4. Value of y1 is 5. 5 minus 8 minus 3 square minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 square. 3 square, it is 9. 9 square, 81. This is root 90. So again we got the value of CD as root 90. Now we'll calculate the distance between D and A. So D will become x1, y1. A will become x2, y2. So DA x1, x2, it is minus 4, minus x1, it is 5, y2, it is minus 7, minus y1 is minus 4, minus 7, minus into minus plus 4, minus 4 minus 5, minus 9 square, minus 7 plus 4, minus 3 square. This will become 81 and this will become 9. This is root 90. We got same value for AB, BC, CD and DA. So this is proved. We proved that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AE. Now we need to prove that diagonals are not equal. There is AC is not equal to BD. So we'll find out the distance between A and C. To find out the distance between A and C, A will be x1, y1. C will be x2, y2. Substituting the formula, x2 value is 8 minus x1 value is minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 7, minus into minus plus 7. 12 square plus this is 12 square. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 square, 144. 144 plus 144, 288. So we got AC value as under root of 288. Now we need to calculate the distance between B and D. B will become x1, y1. D will become x2, y2. So the value of BD is under root of x2. x2 is 5. x1 is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. y2 minus 4 minus y1. y1 value is 2. 6 square minus 6 square. This is nothing but 6 is a 36 and 36. If you add this 2, it is root 72. Here you can clearly see that these two values are not equal. Hence we prove that AC is not equal to BD. Therefore we can say that this forms a rhombus. Hence we prove that this forms a rhombus. First part of the question is done. Then the next part of the question is find its area. Now we need to find out the area of this rhombus. So the second part of the question, area of a rhombus. So area of a rhombus is nothing but half into product of diagonals. Half into diagonals are root 288 Product means we need to multiply into root 72. This root 288 can be written as 144 into 2. This root 72 can be written as 36 into 2. Half into, if we separate the roots, root 144 into root 2 into root 36 into root 2. Root 144 is 12. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 36 is 6. So this 2 cancel. 12 into 6, 72. So the area of rhombus is 72.